Today's recipe is actually a difficult one and not difficult to make but to name. And after you watch this video, I would love to know what you would call this curry. So I would say it's a green paneer curry or a coriander paneer curry or just a fantastic all-round delicious paneer curry. It is really simple, and I know that there are lots of people out there who don't like coriander, and I don't want to put you off from that. So if you are not a fan of coriander, if you're a fan of coriander, yay, fantastic. But if you're not a fan of coriander, you can use spinach instead of coriander, and you can still enjoy this recipe. I'm going to start with 2 medium-sized onions, and I'm going to roughly chop these up first. And in a hot pan, I've got 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. And then goes in roughly chopped 2 onions. I'm going to cook this for around 10 minutes until we get a little bit of color on it. While the onions are cooking, I have got here a piece of ginger and some garlic cloves, and I'm just going to chop them up roughly. Next to go in is a 200 grams pouch of passata, which is tomato paste. Just going to cook this for another 5 minutes. And next thing to go in is quite key, which is 50 grams of fresh coriander leaves. Giving them a good clean and chop them up roughly and just mix it up. I'm going to let this cool for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to puree this and make a nice paste. Before I blitz it, I'm going to add 150 ml of water, and then I will blitz it to a puree. So I haven't washed this pan, and because it's still got lots of lovely flavors, I'm just going to add another tablespoon of oil to this, and also a nice blob of butter. And once it's hot, in goes 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cardamom pods, and let it sizzle. And next goes in our puree. Also going to add 2 tablespoons. First of all, just going to take it off the heat for a second, turn the heat off. I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt to this. Mix it well. Now turn the heat back on and cook this for around 8 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to add all the spices. So in goes in a teaspoon of chili powder, also a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of ground coriander, a teaspoon of ground cumin, and also half a teaspoon of salt, and then I'm just going to mix it. It's looking gorgeous. And another thing to add is a teaspoon of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Now I'm going to add the paneer. It's time to add the paneer, and I'm obviously, as you can see, I'm using ready paneer. And this quantity should be really good for 4 people. Now each of these paneer cubes are 225 grams, and maybe 2 will be enough, but in our house paneer is an absolute favorite, so 2 won't be enough. So I'm using 3, but yes, you can use 2, and I'm just slicing it up. And it goes into our lovely sauce. Just a couple of tablespoons of double cream, 100 ml of water, and then I'm going to mix it and serve it up. Just mix it and bring it to a boil. I'm just going to mix, bring it to a boil, and then plate this up. So here I have got the paneer bubbling away, and I'm just making a fresh pot of rice to go with the paneer. Piping hot rice. Oh, look at that. Just some of this gorgeous paneer. Yes, that's a massive smile on my face because it smells so amazing and inviting, and it's piping hot on a sunny day. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's a recipe I developed recently, so I haven't made many times, and it's so beautiful. Because of the passata, it's got a lovely sourness to it, which is really nice with coriander. And of course there's coriander flavor, but it's not killing the other flavors. It's just so beautiful. Oh my goodness. That is stunning. I really hope you're going to give this a go. Don't forget to let me, please do let me know a really nice name for this curry in the comments below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you back here very soon with another new recipe. Bye for now. That is all mine.